Hey, good morning, everybody. Captain Kevin Lanier with KC Sport Fishing in Mexico Beach. Today is big day. Today is the 2022 Golly Whopper Tournament, and we have our team together. We're going to go out and try to slay some grouper and snapper, and we're in it to win it today. So we're going to take you along with us and video as the day goes on, but thank you for joining us, and we hope you enjoy the day. All right, everybody, we're out here catching bait this morning, and we got Tammy on board and Sydney, and coming over here we got Michaela and Morgan and Miss Cindy out here catching live bait. Got something coming up now. All right, we're on with the first one of the morning. Cindy's on. Double. Put that in the belly.
I went too far, sorry.
That's red. That's red.
Really?
Don't roll this hole, son. We're on. Oh, takes out reversal. Cindy's on, off. Okay, don't be so quick to reel. Just hang on. It's gonna be a little more difficult.
Oh. Yep, it's a little bit more difficult. Nope.
You want one?
Yep.
Flatlines here.
Go, Morgan.
Here, I'll come up with that.
Stay down. Stay down.
I'm connected to her, I think. I was.
What happened?
Don't stop reeling because you might both have it. Tammy, go ahead and reel up.
I think you might be off.
Yep, you got off. I don't know how.
Nice fish. Cindy, reel. In.
Tammy, give me just a minute, okay? I'll take care of that.
What's that? Oh. Got some color here too.
Red snapper. Woohoo!
Okay, hold that.
Might be mine. I'm in the preschool. You're always with somebody. Okay.
I can't. just there you go, Michaela.
Yay! Love that! Woohoo! How come Michaela's got the only 2 people on the boat so far? That's a sad day when I'm the only one.
You may not have the boat. It's really do well. The color. Oh, nice red snapper. Nice snapper.
And somebody bumped my drag form a little. Oh, he's under the boat. He's fine. Hey, girl.
You're fine.
Dang.
Come on, Kevin's wife.
Cindy, come this way. Come this way. Michaela, move that way. You're fine. Get down there. You got lower. Okay. Stop. I can't do it. Just free them. Lift up, roll down.
Are you gaining, Sydney? All right.
Turn the handle. Just roll that up for me. Turn the handle. Huh? Hurt?
It's okay. I hit myself in the hand.
Sydney, give us time to get there.
Let me know when you see it, please.
Good.
There's Sydney's line.
Okay.
I'm just gonna
Go
let
there
out.
with her.
I think somebody's line is dragging.
We got you. You're hooked up over there. Yeah. Cindy, call color. Feel like
I've got no tension on these lines, so it shouldn't cut.
break should not cut. Keep that. Now you just need to go. Morgan, I need a gap. There. No, not that big. Probably bigger than that.
Oh, it's pretty.
Pretty one though. How we doing over here, ladies?
So fucking good. So fucking good. Ah, get it, girl. Get it.
can work. I'm sure we can do it.
Move the rod out. Yes.
Keep going. Here's the color.
Color! Or a big fish or something. Somebody's blind.
Looks like Jack Paul.
Big jack.
I can't go any further.
Holy cow, look at that jack. That is a huge jack. That's a huge Jack Crevalle.
Oh!
Here, hang on.